Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before I start, I want to talk about something real quick. I had to move the releases to a new repo, and as you can see, it's all right there. So there's the main release, and if we go to releases itself, weird, it's not showing the other one. Did I not actually save that one? No, it's down here at the bottom. Okay, good. So there's the releases of the new desktop environment. There's the things that are required to get it working. And yep, all good to go. Everything is completely normal. I literally just put yup as the main thing. Tells you what everything is. Thumbnails should hopefully work. Install.sh. Installation guides are still here. There they are. Everything is cool. Now, y'all wanted an update to the Affinity AppImage. Well, here it is. In all of its amazing glory, I've updated it to 3.2.0, and if we download it just like this, which I'm actually going to use it for once, believe it or not, because I need to. I'm going to just make sure that sudo dnf search OpenCL. We are probably going to need the OpenCL ICD loader. Yeah, okay, so we're probably going to need this one right here. But we're also going to do the devil version of it, I guess, if you want to call that. Sudo dnf install. And then put that there like that, and then just put that, and both of them are installed. Perfection. Then I'm gonna open this up, and all right, so we have it open. Let's go to properties, make it executable, and run. Now it's got to take a minute to do the stuff. I don't care about DPI. Don't show again for me. And God damn it. Get over here. There it is. So it opens, it runs, it works. Now, do I have my OpenCL? I do. This is the first time running this on my computer, by the way, so having that ability kind of is exciting. And we're going to drop my thumbnail in here. You guys wanted this. You guys got it. Again, I can't solve line issues. I can only ask a certain friend of mine to take a look and hope that he will. But he's a very busy guy. So, you know, doing that is kind of difficult. So there we go. So now I can go work on the thumbnails. And I just wanted to let you know that it's up, because most of you probably don't know, as I don't really have a place to announce these things, but I might, if requested, open up my current Discord that I do have. It's a private one. I'm just not sure, you know, what to do about that, because I don't want another toxic, broken situation where it gets all active and then someone just comes and destroys it and then just pretends like it never happened. And I don't need another jaded server. You know what I mean? I don't want it. But yeah, there you go. It has all the same fixings as hopefully as last time. Repo's in the description. I will see you guys next time.